Yo, it's been a while. I've been sick and I've been in a different country. Anyway, you know what I hate? People who gatekeep. I'm guessing you do too, and that's why you're here. So, I'm going to show you how to get the files from the JP version of Project Sekai and turn them into VRChat avatars. So, what you're going to want to do is you want to have BlueStacks open. I'm using 5.11.11.1002 and I'm on the P64 build. I know you have to use a 64-bit build, but I don't think it really matters which thing you use. But anyway, once you're in BlueStacks, go to System Apps, open Chrome, type QApp like that. Let me just scroll down. It will be the first link here that says games. You see download, select. Okay, download anyway. Okay, open. It will then say for your security, your tablet's not allowed to install unknown apps, so hit settings, just check that. Hit the back button down here. Yes, install. Boom. Hit open. Okay. Confirm. Just wait for the ad to go away. Okay, we're in. So it's going to want us to sign in to QApp, but you can just hit the tick here and then hit this little drop down arrow and you can select guest. So hit guest. It will then take you to a CAPTCHA. Okay, let me select the deer. Boom, I'm human. I promise. It will come up with this, just hit the back. Okay. So now you want to hit the search button. Project Sekai Colorful Stage is there. Also, Gecko and Idolmaster is amazing. Good game, recommend it. Hit download. Allow. Let it download. Okay. Hit settings. Tick the thing. Let me close down these annoying notifications. Hit install. Open.
Sega.
Oh no, let me turn this down before it blasts my ears out. Okay, so it's going to want you to sign in. So sign in to your Google account. It could be even a burner account if you want. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so once you're signed in, it will take you to the Project Sekai main menu screen. Just hit tap to start. Hit the accept on the terms and conditions. Wait on it to do its thing. Hit the green button to install. Just got to wait on it loading up the tutorial. Okay, skip the cutscene. Skip. Just default name is fine, doesn't matter. It's going to put you into a tutorial mission. But thankfully, we can just go through this, hit the pause and skip. Okay, skip again. It's going to ask you this weird questionnaire thing. Wow, Leonid, yeah, sure. And then it's going to do another cutscene. And then it's going to put you into the Sekai story, which you can also just skip once it loads. Skip. Ah, there we go. So just pick the top one. And then you'll have to wait ages. This will take a while to download. So just sort of wait on it to do its thing and you'll be good. Okay, so once you're loaded onto the menu, just click away through everything. It will then come up with the daily rewards stuff usually. Yep, there it is. Yep. Okay, so go to the member, hit the costume. I'm just gonna go with this one. Let's go with Sukasa. Turn around, man. Bro, he thinks he's so fucking cool. Anyway, hit this button. Just pick whatever costume you want. I'm just gonna go with this one, I guess, because this is the newest one. And then pick the accessory. I'm just gonna go with this. Cool, looks good to me. So, once you've loaded it in, the parts of the costume you want, you're pretty much done. That is you. You have got the stuff. Hit the home button. Go to the Play Store. Search for Zarchiver. Hit install. Open. Hit allow. Go to Android. Data. Project Sekai. Files. In this data folder right here is what we want. So I'm gonna click in it. Hit this button. Hit this button to select all. And then hold left click. In fact, no, not hold left click. Hit this button. .zip, and I will call it tutorial.zip just because that's what this is. I'll hit OK. So you can just take the files folder in general, and turn that into a zip. However, that can sometimes come with corruption of the zip for whatever reason. I don't know why, but it happens sometimes. Also, if you go into the file itself, you can sort it by date. And if you sort it by date, you can just get the newest folders that have been added on that day. If you've went back to the game some other time to grab another costume, and it saves you from ripping everything every time. But because this is the initial rip, we're just ripping everything. So just wait on it to do its thing. Usually takes a while. Oh man, can't believe I still haven't recovered from my cough. Ugh. As I say that, dude, I've had this shit for like 6 weeks, maybe even longer. I can't even remember anymore. It was going away, and then when I was in the Czech Republic at Brno Anime Fest, I got the cold afterwards, and the cough came back. I just can't win. So once you've got it, scroll all the way down, hold left click, hit share, hit save on file manager. This is the worst part because file manager takes forever. Usually when it takes this long, I just hit the home button, then this, swipe it away, and then go to system apps. Come on. Okay, and then hit media manager, and then open it that way. And there we go. Let me just hold left click on that. In fact, you don't even need to share it that way. You can go to explore, Android, data, project Sekai, files, data, and then just scroll all the way to the bottom. This is the best way of doing it, even though it's a bit weird. Right, there we go. Then hit export to Windows. It'll do please wait, then it will open up your file explorer. Anytime today though, come on. Come on, BlueStacks. There we go. Right, just save it wherever you want. Okay. I'm gonna save it in here. And then that's pretty much us done with BlueStacks. You can then go into your file explorer, go to where you saved everything. Okay, so I've got everything here. Let me try opening it. Okay, if it says cannot open, just give it like a minute maybe, or like 30 seconds, because that's it, still exporting everything. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Good now? Nope. Let me refresh. Ah, perfect. So now it's opening. So now that it's done that, you want to extract it. So I'm using WinRAR, so I'll just extract a tutorial. Then you just need to wait. This isn't an SSD, so it is going to be slow as fuck for me. But that's fine. Okay, so once everything is in its own little folder like this, you want to get this decrypt Python script. So I'll put a link to that in the description, and you want to basically just put it in this folder here. So it's down there. Then you want to copy the path. Oh, sorry, got stuck in my throat there. Then you're going to need Python installed. I'll put a link to Python in the description as well. Once Python is installed, cmd, run as admin. Screen went blank for a moment because of the admin prompt. When you're in here, you want to navigate to where your project Sekai thing is. So since mine's on the D drive, I'll just do this. But this command will be the same for everyone. You just do cd and then paste the path that you just copied. And now that you're here, you want to run the Python script. So you do py decrypt.py, and then you wait. What this is doing is decrypting the files, as the name implies. Because all the project Sekai files are encrypted, because of course they are. So just give it some time, let it do its thing. This might take a while. So, that indeed did take a while, but once it goes to the next line, that means it is done. And we can move on from that. So, what you want to do next is you want to open up Asset Studio. So, I'll just go in here. Boom. So, I'll put the link to this in the description as well, but you want to launch Asset Studio GUI. And what you want to do when you're in Asset Studio is go to Options, specify Unity version, and specify this. So make sure it's 2022.3.31 F1. It used to be 2020, but this has recently changed. So if you want everything to be viewed, you need to use 2022. Otherwise it won't export properly. So hit load folder. Just select folder. And then just wait on it to load everything. This can take a while. So go cook yourself a 3-course meal. I don't know, throw a brick through your neighbor's window or something. Do whatever. But I'm just gonna sit and wait. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, so once it loads, you'll be greeted with this. You're gonna want to look for the body that you've just extracted. So let me just do BDY. This should be it. Yep, this is the one. So let me just move this over a bit and then expand the container because we want to make sure we've got the right size. So this is the one for men. You want to hit the MDL underscore, which is the animator. Because this is Sakasa, I need to make sure that this is the actual one. So that's men's, boys would be incorrect. So hit export, animator, and selected clips. I'm just gonna go to test export. I'll create a new thing, call it tutorial, and then select folder, and then it will open this up. Go inside, and you can see the body is there with the textures. So now we need the accessory. So let me just do 0696. I'll sort by name. Let me just scroll down. This is the body. Aha. So this is the one we're after. So let me do accessory PRK. Oh, that's just the texture. So it is 695 from what I can see. I'll filter it to just animator. This might be it here, I think. Worth a shot. Let me export. Ah, perfect. This is exactly what we were looking for. So, have that. You're then gonna wanna open Blender. So I'll just do that. And then go back here. Copy that. Then using the cats plugin, import model. Go to the body. Do that. Keep end bones. You'll then be greeted with this. You're gonna want, so if you have a numpad, great. If you don't, sorry, I don't know what the keybinds would be, but if you have got a numpad, hit 5 and then 3, then click on the body and hit R to rotate. Make sure you rotate it exactly 180, so it's like that. Click the bone structure, hit R again, rotate it, and make it a perfect 90. Boom. Hit 5 again. This seems fine. We want to get rid of all the weird noise, so hit A, then A again. Click on the bone, then click on the mesh, and then hit delete. So you're left with just this. Right, so the head. Import the character one. Hit fix model. Okay. Hit 5, then 7. You can just hide the body using the H key. Right click on the head, R, rotate by 90 degrees, hit 1, click the bones, rotate 90, hit 7 again, and rotate 90. Cool, and you can just hit 5, go back to normal, hit Alt H to unhide. Clicking on the face, you can now drag it up. Make sure it matches up with the neck. Let me move it forward just slightly. Go, just to make sure everything is fine. Let me try that. Wait, hold on. There we go. Perfect, that's what we want. So, when you've got it like that, go to custom model creation and merge armatures. Hit apply transforms first, sorry. Okay, so now you've got it like this. Hit 5, then 3. Just make sure that the feet are actually above like that. Cool. You'll notice that the skin is like white and everything, but this is all stuff that you would fix in Unity. Okay, so physemes. So just select mouth A, mouth O, and mouth eye, and then create, and boom. Now it's got all the VRChat facial expression thingies for the mouth. And God, man, I need to get over this cough one day. Let me just make sure everything is fine. Yep, everything is good. I hate the way the bones are on these models, by the way. Like, see, if you're using full body tracking, they are the worst. But that should be it. Everything else is in Unity. Maybe I'll make a separate tutorial for that. Let me know if you want to see that. If you have any sort of like issues that you encounter, I'll put a link to our Discord server in the description, so you can ask questions there, or even just request an avatar if you want someone to make it for you. Remember, don't gatekeep. Don't be an asshole. If someone is looking for like the files and stuff, don't be. You don't own these files. Like, don't keep them to yourself. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys have fun making Project Sekai avatars, and maybe the next tutorial will be Love Live or Bang Dream. I don't know. Just in the comments, or like even on Discord, just ask like if you want me to make something, and I probably will. Yeah. So, goodbye.